Hi students, in the last session, last recorded session, I sent you the recordings of the Clever Merchant. Today also, in this class, we shall first start reading the lesson, then we can go for explanation part because you also have to develop the reading skills. Okay? Shall we start? Yes children. In those days, okay. In those days, T-H-O-S-E, those. In those days, there were, T-H-E-R-E, there were, W-E-R-E, were, not where. See, W-E-R-E is were, W-H-E-R-E is where. This is wrong. Here you have to read it as were. In those days, there were no bank lockers. B-A-N-K, bank lockers. L-O-C-K-E-R-S, lockers. L-O-C-K, lock, E-R-S, lockers. In those days, there were no bank lockers. See here, where, W-H-E-R-E, where money and jewelry could be kept safe from thieves. Full stop. See, J-E-W-E-L-L-E-R-Y is jewelry, where money and jewelry, look at this children, C-O-U-L-D. See, C-O-U-L-D. Even though it is C-O-U-L-D, where L is there, it is silent letter. We don't utter the sound of letter L. It's not could. It is could. C-O-U-L-D. Could. Repeat after me. C-O-U-L-D. Could. W-O-U-L-D. Would. W-O-U-L-D. Would. S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. It is not could, would, should. It is wrong. You have to say it as could. K-O-U-L-D. Could. W-O-U-L-D. Would. S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. Is this clear? You will say it as could, not could. Could is wrong. Even though there is L, the letter L is silent there. So we pronounce it could. C-O-U-L-D. Could be kept safe from thieves. See, look at the word T-H-I-E-V-E-S is thieves. Thieves means chore. From thieves. The only way to keep, K-E-E-P, keep, to keep them, T-H-E-M, them, safe was to ask a friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend, to take care of them. Again, full stop. If there is full stop, you have to stop it. The merchant, M-E-R, C-H-A-N-T, chant. The merchant went to his friend and said, see, after said there is comma. You have to give a small pause. थोड़ी देर के लिए आप रुकना वहाँ पे. And said, my friend, see there is inverted comma here. My friend, यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ी देर रुकना because there is comma. My friend, I'm going to be away for few days. You have to, there is a full stop. Let me read it once, children. In those days, there were no bank lockers where money and jewelry could be kept safe from thieves. The only way to keep them safe was to ask a friend to take care of them. The merchant went to his friend and said, my friend, I'm going to be away for few days. Full stop. Even you have to open your text on page number 13 and start reading practice, children, so that you will also develop reading skills. Last class I started till whatever I did today. I'll read that much. Listen carefully. Keep your text in front of you so that it becomes easy for you. In a small town, there once lived a merchant. He was hardworking and clever. His business did well, and the people of the village respected him because he was honest and kind. There came a time when the merchant had to go out of town to attend a wedding. He was a rich man and he had money and gold jewelry. He knew that thieves might try and steal them from his home while he was away. In those days, there were no bank lockers where money and jewelry could be kept safe from thieves. The only way to keep them safe was to ask a friend to take care of them. The merchant went to his friend and said, "My friend, I am going to be away for a few days." This much you have to start reading practice, children. Okay? Study well. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask it, but don't copy this in your notebook. Until and unless I start telling you, please don't copy the same thing. It's given in your textbook. Go through the textbook. You will understand it. Try to read it. Okay? Study home. Bye-bye.